So we're gonna go ahead, because we know these are so messed up, and see if we can actually safely do a repair. The nails just pull right through, as you see. So it's not horrible. It's going to be the breaking of the glass that's going to be the problem. But yeah, it comes right through. Should have the one bad shingle out. And now we're putting in the same exact retail shingle. It's just way fresher looking. And these shingles are wet right now, giving it a little extra pliability.
See there?
Yeah.
Creasing as we're doing that pretty bad. All I can do to keep
and
them
they're
from
wet, so
completely
imagine if we were
snapping.
doing this on a completely dry roof, it would just snap right off. So as you can see,
Right there, right there.
so you just do more damage to the shingles as you make the repair. Look at that. That's actually through.
Torn through.
That's actually through the shingle itself, and then that one will be. Right now it's just creased.
It's already failing.
Yeah.
Same thing is going on here.
Yep.
To a lesser extent.
So unfortunately, it just is unrepairable. And this is the proper house. I know I've heard some contractors are doing this and not being at the right house.